The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Remove the side panel. Pull the tab on the housing cover up and slide the housing cover off. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. It may be easier to install your new AQ1228C filter into the housing by pinching the sides of the filter. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. When the filter is adequately flushed with the housing, slide the housing cover into position and press to lock it into place. Reinstall the kick panel by aligning the clips with the corresponding holes.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.